Another common content item that should be accessible on all LMSD Blackboard course sites is a link on the left sidebar called Homework. Homework includes dates for daily assignments, long-term projects, and assessments. We will be adding this link directly beneath the links for class info and teacher info. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to add this link to your course and possible options for where the link should lead to. First, you will want to log into Blackboard and navigate to one of your courses. Select the plus icon at the top left of the sidebar. From here, the choice and link will differ based on how you plan to share the homework for this particular course. This decision may require some thought, and if you're currently undecided, several options will be shown to help support you in making your decision. The first option is to use the Blackboard Calendar tool. To use this option, select Tool Link. Name the page Homework. Select Calendar under Type. Mark Available to Users, and click Submit. Locate the link on the left sidebar and drag the link to the top of the page. You'll want to place the homework link right below Teacher Info. To add to the calendar, simply click on a date and complete the event information. So you'll click on a date, you can add a title or a name to it, you can change the time span, you can make it all day. Here's where you might type a short description on what the assignment is. And if you wanted to add it for another class, you want to just make sure you have the correct class selected, but it will automatically select the class I'm within right now. And so maybe I want to make a test on this date and then save it. If I wanted to change the date, so I wanted to push the test back one day, I could simply drag and drop that test date to the following day. Let's say that I made an error and I didn't mean to make this event. I could open that back up and select delete, OK, and it deletes the event. If you use the assignment tool or administer tests that are assigned a due date, they will automatically generate on the calendar, notated by a check mark. Then select the drop-down menu to the right of the link and select Permit Guests and Permit Parents. While this would be enough to make something else on your page viewable to a guest, there's one additional step to making calendars viewable to guests. You will need to enroll a guest user into your class, and there will be a video to follow this that demonstrates how to do this. The second option is via a Blackboard page. To use this option, select Content Area. Name the page Homework. Select Available to Users and click Submit. Locate the link on the left sidebar and drag the link to the top, placing it below Class Info and Teacher Info. To add to this page, you'll select the homework link. It's up to you from here how you would want to organize your announcements, but you probably want to keep in mind the length of the page. So some teachers have been going to create item and inserting a table where they maintain daily updates, but it's really up to you. You could also organize them into folders for quarters. So there's a lot of options. If there's some other online method that you use to communicate homework, you will want to add it as a web link. To do this, select the plus sign and then web link. Name the link Homework. Next, you will need to copy and paste the URL to your web-based homework manager and mark the Available to Users box and select Submit. Examples of what you might link to include a Google Doc, Google Sheet, or Google Calendar where you manage your homework. So for instance, if I were managing my Google Calendar for different sets that are in the same Blackboard site, I might go to the Google Calendar I created for that one particular set. I would go to Calendar Settings, and I would want to scroll down, and where it says Calendar Address, you're going to select the HTML. And so this would be the web link that would take you directly to a calendar so long as it's public. So I'm going to copy that link and head back to the URL and paste that in there and select Submit. So then you would want to locate that link on the left sidebar and again click and drag that up below Class Info and Teacher Info. To make sure that the link works, you could test it out. So you'll notice that it opens directly within Blackboard. If you did want that to open in a new window, you can select from the drop-down menu, Set Link to open in a new window, and now it will open in a separate window. So again, you'll want to select permit guests and permit parents. To recap, your Blackboard course sites should include a homework link on the left sidebar. This should be located in the third position down from the top, below class info and teacher info. It is up to the teacher to determine how to share this information and where to link it to. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.